Ever wondered how to organize your life or work like a pro in minutes? Imagine a tool that crunches numbers, tracks budgets, and creates stunning charts effortlessly. That's an electronic spreadsheet. Ready to discover this game changer? Let's dive in. Welcome to PrimeVox Academy, where technology learning is made simple. If you love learning tech, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So, what's an electronic spreadsheet? Picture a super smart notebook that not only holds your data, but also does math, creates visuals, and organizes everything in neat rows and columns. Unlike old school paper, spreadsheets automate tasks, saving you time and headaches. They're perfect for tons of tasks. Students can track study schedules or calculate grades. Professionals use them to manage budgets or analyze sales trends. Small business owners create invoices or track inventory. Parents organize family budgets or plan weekly meals. Even creatives use spreadsheets to plan projects or track freelance gigs. With spreadsheet software, your data becomes a breeze to manage. Why are spreadsheets a big deal? They save time, boost productivity, and make you look like a data wizard. Whether you're planning a budget or analyzing trends, spreadsheets handle complex tasks instantly. They also enable real-time collaboration, so teams can work together seamlessly. Here's a wild fact. Over 1.2 billion people use Microsoft Excel alone, making spreadsheets one of the most popular tools worldwide. That's a stat worth sharing. From simplifying finances to powering business decisions, spreadsheets are your secret weapon for staying organized and efficient. Ready to see the tools that make this happen?
Let's talk popular spreadsheet software. First, Microsoft Excel is the gold standard, packed with advanced features for professional data analysis and stunning charts. Google Sheets is free, cloud-based, and perfect for team collaboration. LibreOffice Calc is a free open-source gem with robust tools for budget-conscious users. Apple Numbers shines on Macs, offering sleek, visually appealing designs. Each tool has its strengths, so whether you need power, accessibility, or style, there's a spreadsheet app for you. Curious about which one fits your needs best? Spreadsheets are for everyone. Students save hours organizing assignments. Professionals create polished reports. Small business owners streamline finances. Creatives plan projects with ease. These tools boost efficiency and make your work shine, no matter your field. Want to master spreadsheets like a pro in minutes? Check out our practical guide in the description. It's packed with beginner-friendly tips to level up fast. Whether you're crunching numbers or planning your next big idea, spreadsheets have you covered. Which tool will you try first? Let's keep the learning going. That's the power of electronic spreadsheets. Which tool are you excited to try? Excel, Google Sheets, or something else? Drop it in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech made simple. Don't miss our practical guide in the description to master spreadsheets fast. Want more tech tips? Check out our video on data visualization basics. See you next time.